solemnly swear to follow you anywhere.
Hey you guys!
Hi, we're orange people.
As promised, I'm doing a cooking video for you guys.
You always dancing.
And today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be making some Rasta pasta.
I don't know what that is. But I know this is going to be a challenge for you because of her.
But yeah, I'm going to make some Rasta pasta. I think it's a different culture recipe. Caribbean, Jamaican, something like that. I'm not really sure.
She made her own recipe, so.
Sort of, kind of. I kind of found a recipe online, which made me want to try it. And then I kind of just like tweak the ingredients to my liking and our liking, basically. So let's get the cooking. Okay, these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Some sweet peppers, onion, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, pasta. And then for the seasonings, we have onion powder, black pepper, adobo. I mean, you could use any kind of salt, but this is the salt that we like, so, you know. Garlic powder, this is paprika. And then this is like the main, like, the seasoning that you really need, the jerk seasoning. You don't have to have hot and spicy. You can use like the mild or whatever, but we like hot stuff. And then, of course, olive oil and chicken. Let's get to cooking. Alright, I have my water over here about to start boiling. I put some salt in there for the pasta. Honestly, just follow the directions on the box. And now Bacon is about to cut up this chicken breast into small chunks. Honestly, cut it how small you want. It's going in pasta, so I mean, if you don't want a big chunks of chicken, don't cut your chicken chunky. Right?
Right.
Let's see if he could do this right. Dang, that's kind of thin, honey.
My bad.
You don't want a little chunky? Just
Well,
like chunks?
it's chunky this way.
I guess.
I'll cut it thicker.
He did an alright job. Probably like a 7 out of 10 cutting the chicken up.
Somebody's a hater.
But anyways, I'm about to season this really quickly so we can start cooking for real, okay? Let's go. Alright, you guys, let me tell you about this seasoning right here. We got the hot and spicy kind. Like I said, they have mild and all the other types, but we're only gonna put 2 spoonfuls in it because it's kind of hot. So you know, if you don't like spicy food, maybe 1 spoonful, 1.5. You like spicy food, right, babe?
I do.
Alright, if you don't like spicy food, I advise you to get the mild or don't even use it. Yes, I am mixing this up with my hands. This is the best way to get it. My hands are clean. If you don't want your hands dirty, you can use a glove, but I really don't care. This is how real cook. Alright, we're going to let the chicken marinate over there just a little bit. And now I'm about to go ahead and start on this sauce for the pasta. I already got some buttermilk, and this is optional. You can use oil, but I like butter. I know it's unhealthy, but I mean, you only live once.
Butter make it taste better.
I only live once. And I'm gonna add a little bit of minced garlic. Again, this is optional. I just like flavor, but do not add this if you don't want to. We're gonna cook this garlic for like 45 seconds. And then after that, we're gonna add 3 cups of the heavy cream into it and let that boil. Meanwhile, what you doing?
I'm gonna cut these vegetables.
Okay. you guys. Don't forget about the pasta. Alright, I'm about to add 1 cup of cheese to this now. This is Parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to slowly stir this up in here because we do not want it to burn or stick or anything like that. Actually, I might add another 1/2 cup of cheese because I like cheese. Oopsies. Yes, we got the noodles over there, ready to be done. How you doing over there cutting?
I mean, I cut all the bell peppers, but
Oh, good job.
now I gotta cut the onion.
Oh, okay.
Whew, that was easy. What you doing over here now?
Alright, I got this oil hot. For the chicken, we're gonna take some of this seasoning. We like it spicy.
Some more of this?
Just a little more.
I'm nervous.
And then we're just gonna add the chicken. Adding some onions to this. Next, I'm gonna add the bell peppers in a few.
I wish I could smell this. It smells so freaking good.
Alright, you guys, the chicken is done. And I'm about to slowly add the chicken to the sauce.
Plop, plop. Plop, plop, plop. Plop, plop, plop.
Woo! I wish you guys could smell this. Let me get over here. Look at that.
Oh, that looks delightful.
I know.
All those grilled onions in there.
Oh yeah. Cooked a lot of onions actually.
Hold on. You left some stuff in that pot.
Hey now. Who the chef?
You are.
Alright, then I had to grill some onions because Bacon is allergic to fresh vegetables, so I had to make sure they're really cooked. We're gonna add these up in here. You know you gotta add some color to your plate all the time. Look at that.
Oh man. Sorry, looking delicious. It looks kinda like what is it? You eat it with noodles, Alfredo.
Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. It's a pasta.
I mean, it's not Alfredo though.
And then we're gonna slowly add this in there and stir it up in there. If I could do this with one hand, let's try.
I can hold the bowl for you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Alright, my bad. You got it, chef.
I'm trying. See, you don't want to add too much in at the same time. I don't think this pan is big enough. Oh!
Ooh. How you doing, Debbie Julie? Nice to meet you.
Alright, we'll be back when I get this up all in the pot. You guys, look at this pasta, man. Look at it. I ended up adding some more Parmesan cheese because I like it cheesy, but it looks so good. But of course, I'm a little extra, so we're gonna add a little paprika on top of it because, you know, it just add a little color. Look at it. It just look fun, right? It just look good, right? But this is how you make the pasta. But before we end this video, we're gonna make Bacon taste it because he gotta taste it. So here your fork. Come on, taste it.
Just straight out the pot?
Just straight out the pot. It's okay.
Just straight out the pot.
The fork is clean now. Only one bite. We ain't double dipping.
I got a piece of meat and
yeah,
a piece
make
of
sure you get
pasta.
some meat up in there too.
I got a meat in the pasta. That's
a
good.
meat in the
Should I get a bell pepper too?
Yeah, get bell pepper.
Okay, I'm
get
gonna
the full
try.
of fat.
I'll try to get the bell pepper. Nope.
All right, here we go. Oh, you see that cheese?
Oh yes.
Okay, you ready? Come on, let's. Oh. Is it good? It's good. You ain't talking, so that sounds like it's good.
Ain't much to say.
Yes, you guys, this is so.
I thought it was gonna burn my tongue. I was so scared, but it's good.
Is it too spicy?
No, I was about to say you put a lot of that jerk stuff in there. And last time you used that jerk stuff, whoo. Anywho.
I know last time.
But
I'm gonna have to make that on camera for
I think
them.
this is really good. Like it's a really good consistency and everything. So
yes, this is so good. Any last words you want to say?
My bacon cook. Get you a her, but not her, cause she mine. Period.
Y'all want to see y'all friend?
Oh yeah, she got in trouble.
Let's take a walk. Look at it. It's kind of dark over here. Look at y'all friend.
She tapping her tail.
She locked up. They won't let me out. They won't let me out. I'm locked up.
That's so mean.
She been bad.
Yeah, she
Oh, look at her. She trying to get out. Let me out. Let me out.
Anywho.
Anywho, you ready to end this video? Because I'm ready to eat.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
Yep.
If you guys really enjoyed this video, make sure you guys
like,
comment,
share,
subscribe,
and hit that bell button.
hit that bell button so we can be notified. I mean, so you can be notified, because we need to be notified whenever we post the videos.
Exactly.
I said the whole thing for you that time. But yeah, comment down below if you guys are gonna try to make this recipe, because you know the Rasta pasta is gonna be Rasta. You know, I don't know what that means. I didn't know what that,
Okay.
I didn't know what that was before today, but apparently it's gonna be great. I mean, I tasted it and it is really good, so I'm just talking now at this point. But thank you guys for watching this video. We already said make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, but you know, make sure you comment for real. I really want to know if y'all think it's gonna be great. It is great, but I just wonder if y'all think, okay, anyways, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go. You want to close this out because I'm talking too much.
Up your eyes, I take flight. And it's broad day. Your eyes be shining like the sky on Friday. Blue sky day. Like the ocean creep up on your body. It's not how your body speaks to me. Looking deep into your eyes, deep strokes, that's how it's supposed to be.